Emoticons and acronyms. Emoticons. During online communication, the people may not be face-to-face with each other, so facial expressions cannot be conveyed to others. To overcome this problem, the concept of emoticons was developed. Emoticons represent your facial expressions. The term emoticon is an abbreviation for emotion icon. They help in telling your mood to others as well as save typing time. Some commonly used emoticons are emoticon used for happy, sad, surprised, shouting, crying, laughing, very happy, angry, no expression, sleepy, sleeping, tired, embarrassed. You can also use built-in emoticons for different facial expressions. Some of the emoticons are acronyms. Acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a multi-word name. It may be in the form of an abbreviation like HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, or more than one letter from some words like COBOL, Common Business-Oriented Language. The use of acronyms became popular with the concept of Short Message Service or SMS. Acronyms works like shorthand for internet users as it saves typing time. Some of the common acronyms used in internet communication are acronym meaning LOL, laughing out loud, CU, CUL8R, see you later, BTW, by the way, FAQ, frequently asked questions, OK, F9, fine, PLS, please, GR8, great, ABT, about, ASAP, as soon as possible, forever, forever,